On this row we have some amazing colors. Starting off with rhododendron. This is the Rosem elegans. Pink flowers, the baby blue spruce, the Bixby red azalea in there, the little Anna's ball, which is a golden variety, and then the fire chief variety over here with the red, some St. John's wort with the red berries, the white album rhododendron, beautiful white flowers. Ground cover is the Japanese dwarf, really tight ground cover, and this magnificent bubblegum rhododendron with huge pink flowers. In this row we have some gold splash euonymus. We have the Gerard's fuchsia azalea, which has these purpley pink flowers. The gold cone juniper, which is a great deer resistant choice for a shrub. Narrow, doesn't get too big, maybe about 7-8 feet. We move on to the flowering pink almond. This is one of the coolest spring flowering shrubs there is. And back to a little bit more of euonymus and the gold splash and the white album. Shamrock inkberry holly, which is a great landscape plant. Nice glossy foliage. Can be shaped a little bit. It's a good easy care plant. This is one of my favorites. This is the Celtic Pride Siberian cypress. Will take shade, and it's great for a ground cover that is a little bit more exciting than the basic boring ground covers. We're going on to blueberry bushes now. We have the Highland high bush blueberry here, down to red twig dogwood, more blueberries, and then on the end we're having the nightlight cypress. This is a new one. I'm not familiar with that, but look at the color on that. Wow, that is really cool.